The Canary Islands, also known informally as the Canaries, is a Spanish archipelago in the Atlantic Ocean, in a region known as Macaronesia, at their closest point to the African mainland. They are 100 kilometers west of Morocco. They are the southernmost of the autonomous communities of Spain, and are located in the African tectonic plate. The archipelago is economically and politically European, and is part of the European Union. The 8 main islands are Tenerife, Fuerteventura, Gran Canaria, Lanzarote, La Palma, La Gomera, El Hierro and La Graciosa. The archipelago includes many smaller islands and islets, including Alegranza, Isla de Lobos, Montana Clara, Roque del Oeste, and Roque del Este. It also includes a number of rocks, including those of Salmor, Fasnia, Bonanza, Garachico, and Anaga. In ancient times, the island chain was often referred to as the Fortunate Isles. The Canary Islands are the southernmost region of Spain, and the largest and most populous archipelago of Macaronesia. Because of their location, the Canary Islands have historically been considered a bridge between the 4 continents of Africa, North America, South America, and Europe. In 2019, the Canary Islands had a population of 2,153,389 with a density of 287.39 inhabitants per square kilometer, making it the 8th most populous autonomous community. The population is mostly concentrated in the 2 capital islands, around 43% on the island of Tenerife and 40% on the island of Gran Canaria. The Canary Islands, especially Tenerife, Gran Canaria, Fuerteventura, and Lanzarote, are a major tourist destination, with over 12 million visitors per year. This is due to their beaches, subtropical climate, and important natural attractions, especially Maspalomas in Gran Canaria, Teide National Park, and Mount Teide in Tenerife. Mount Teide is the highest peak in Spain and the 3rd tallest volcano in the world, measured from its base on the ocean floor. Because of the island's subtropical climate, it has long, hot summers, and moderately warm winters. The amount of precipitation and the level of maritime moderation vary depending on location and elevation. The archipelago includes green areas as well as desert areas. The island's high mountains are ideal for astronomical observation, because they lie above the temperature inversion layer. As a result, the archipelago boasts 2 professional observatories, Teide Observatory on the island of Tenerife, and Roque de los Muchachos Observatory on the island of La Palma. In 1927, the province of Canary Islands was split into 2 provinces. In 1982, the autonomous community of the Canary Islands was established. The cities of Santa Cruz de Tenerife and Las Palmas de Gran Canaria are jointly the capital of the islands. Those cities are also, respectively, the capitals of the provinces of Santa Cruz de Tenerife and Las Palmas. Las Palmas de Gran Canaria has been the largest city in the Canaries since 1768. Except for a brief period in the 1910s, between the 1833 territorial division of Spain and 1927. Santa Cruz de Tenerife was the sole capital of the Canary Islands. In 1927, it was ordered by decree that the capital of the Canary Islands would be shared between 2 cities. And this arrangement persists to the present day. The 3rd largest city in the Canary Islands is San Cristobal de la Laguna on Tenerife. This city is also home to the Consejo Consultivo de Canarias, which is the supreme consultative body of the Canary Islands. During the era of the Spanish Empire, the Canaries were the main stopover for Spanish galleons on their way to the Americas, which sailed that far south in order to catch the prevailing northeasterly trade winds. The name Islas Canarias is likely derived from the Latin name Canaria Insulae, meaning islands of the dogs, a name that was evidently generalized from the ancient name of one of these islands, Canaria, presumably Gran Canaria. According to the historian Pliny the Elder, the island Canaria contained vast multitudes of dogs of very large size. Alternatively, it is said that the original inhabitants of the island, Guanches, used to worship dogs, mummified them and generally treated them as holy animals. Some hypothesize that the Canary Islands dog worship and the ancient Egyptian cult of the dog-headed god Anubis are closely connected. Other theories speculate that the name comes from the Nukari Berber tribe living in the Moroccan Atlas, named in Roman sources as Canary, though Pliny again mentions the relation of this term with dogs. The connection to dogs is retained in their depiction on the island's coat of arms. It is considered that the Aborigines of Gran Canaria called themselves Canarios. It is possible that after being conquered, this name was used in plural in Spanish, i.e., as to refer to all of the islands as the Canary as. What is certain is that the name of the islands does not derive from the canary bird. Rather, the birds are named after the ISF.